Hey guys, welcome to MathCube with me Nivya. In this video, we're going to learn exercise 10.2 in circles from 10 CBSE. Well, we move on to our first question. Choose the correct option and give justification. From a point Q, the length of a tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter and the distance of the Q from the center is 25 centimeter. The radius of the circle is A 7 centimeter, B 12 centimeter, C 15 centimeter and D 24.5 centimeter. So, the first number diagram draw பண்ணோம் எப்படி draw பண்ணலான்னு பார்க்கலாம். Let's take a circle. For now, let's take a tangent line. அதை நம்ம XY ன்னு மார்க் பண்ணிக்கலாம். For now, tangentனாலே ஒரு பாயிண்ட் மட்டும்தான் சர்க்கிளில் டச் ஆகிருக்கும். That point is known as point of contact. அதை நம்ம P ன்னு மார்க் பண்ணிக்கலாம். For now, there is a point Q which is given in the question. So here, from Q லேருந்து the length of the tangent to the circle, அதாவது circle வரைக்கும் டச் ஆகிற பாயிண்ட் வந்து 24 cm கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. So here, PQ is 24 cm. For now, from Q and the center of the circle is 25 cm. So center of the circle நம்ம O1 mark பண்ணிக்கலாம். So O and Q வந்து 25 cm. So now we have to find the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle என்னன்னா O இருந்து P வரைக்கும் radius of the circle. அது என்ன நம்ம find பண்ணோம். There are 4 options. அந்த optionல எது கரெக்டான answer அப்படின்னு இப்போ நம்ம find பண்ணணும். So here, since xy is tangent, it will be always perpendicular to the radius of the circle. So that is OP is perpendicular to xy. So here angle OPQ is 90 degree. So here opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. So here OQ is hypotenuse and 90 degree and theta will fall on the same line. That line is known as base. So here PQ is base and we have to find the perpendicular, that is OP is perpendicular. So how to find it? By using Pythagoras theorem we can find it. So here hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So that is OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. So when we substitute the value, we'll get 25 to the power of 4 square is equal to OP to the power of 4 square plus 24 to the power of 4 square. So we'll get OP square is equal to 25 square minus 24 square. That is OP square is equal to 625 minus 576. So that is OP square is equal to 49. So when we take square to the other side, we'll get OP is equal to square root of 49. So that is OP is equal to 7 centimeter. Hence radius is equal to 7 centimeter. We'll move on to our next question. In figure, if TP and TQ are two tangents to the circle with center O, so that angle POQ is equal to 110 degree, then angle PTQ is equal to A 60 degree, B 70 degree, C 80 degree and D 90 degree. So here in circle we have two tangent, TP or tangent and TQ or tangent, and angle O is 110 degree. So here TP is a tangent, so OP is perpendicular to TP. அதே மாதிரி TQ is also a tangent, so OQ is perpendicular to TQ. Hence angle OPT is 90 degree. அதே மாதிரி angle OQT is also 90 degree. So now we have to find the degree of PTQ. So now in quadrilateral we have 4 sides, the 3 sides is known, the 4th side is unknown, that is angle PTQ is unknown. So now in quadrilateral TPOQ, angle PTO plus angle OQT plus angle PTQ plus angle POQ, that is 360 degree. So when we put all the degree in it, we'll get 90 degree plus 90 degree plus angle PTQ plus 110 degree, that is equal to 360. So when we add all, we'll get 290 degree plus angle PTQ, that is equal to 360. So that is angle PTQ is equal to 360 degree minus 290 degree, that is angle PTQ is 70 degree. So here answer B is correct. So we'll move on to our next question. If tangent PA and PB from a point P to a circle with center O are inclined to each other at angle of 80 degree, then angle POA is equal to A 50 degree, B 60 degree, C 70 degree and D 80 degree. So in the problem நம்ம எப்படி diagram draw பண்ணலாம்னு பார்க்கலாம். So let's take a circle. So center of circle நம்ம own mark பண்ணிக்கலாம். So now there is a point P and we have two tangent. PA is a tangent and PB is a tangent. Tangent nale we'll have only one point which is touching to the circle. So PA and PB will start from point P and it will be like this. So now all these are inclined to each other at angle of 80 degree. So இது எல்லாத்தோட angle சேர்த்தா we'll get 80 degree. Okay. So now we need to find the angle POA. POA ஓட angle மட்டும் என்ன அப்படி நம்ம find பண்ணணும். So here PA and PP are tangent to circle and angle APP is 80 degree. So now we need to find angle POA. So here PA is tangent, அதனால OA will be perpendicular to PA. Therefore, we can write it as angle OAP is 90 degree. அதே மாதிரி PP is tangent, so OB is perpendicular to PP. So therefore, we can write it as angle OBP is 90 degree. So we have two right angle triangle here, triangle OAB and triangle OBP. So we can write it as OA is equal to OP because they both have same radius. Adhe madri PA is equal to BP because the length of tangent drawn from the external point is also equal. Therefore, we can tell it as triangle OAP will be equal or similar to triangle OBP. So therefore, angle OPA is equal to angle OBP. So now here angle OPP can be written as half of angle ABP because angle APP தான் 80 degree. So அதில் half தான் angle OPP. Correct? So அதனால we can write angle OPP is equal to half of angle ABP. Okay? So we'll get angle OPA is equal to half of angle ABP. So that is half into 80 degrees, that is equal to angle OPA is 40 degree. So now we found angle OPA, but we have to find what is angle POA. So in triangle OPA, we can write angle POA plus angle OPA plus angle OAP, that is equal to 180 degrees. So when we substitute all the values, we'll get angle POA plus 40 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180. So when we add both, we'll get angle POA plus 130 degree is equal to 180 degree. So that is angle POA is equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree, that is angle POA is equal to 50 degree. Hence, answer A is the correct answer. So we'll move on to our next question. Prove that the tangents drawn at the end of the diameter of the circle are parallel. So in the question, நம்ம first diagram draw பண்ணிக்கலாம். எப்படி draw பண்ணலாம்னு பார்க்கலாம். So let's take a circle. First நமக்கு diameter draw பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. So first center of the circle own mark பண்ணிக்கலாம். Diameter can be vertical or even horizontal. நான் vertical எடுத்துக்கிறேன். அந்த diameter நான் AB ன்னு mark பண்ணிக்கிறேன். Now we have to draw tangent at end of the diameter. Okay, tangent nale we'll have only one point touching to the circle. Correct? So A touch ஆகுற மாதிரி நான் ஒரு tangent draw பண்ணிக்கிறேன். அது PQ ன்னு mark பண்ணிக்கிறேன். அதே மாதிரி B touch ஆகுற மாதிரி ஒரு tangent line draw பண்ணிக்கிறேன். அதை RS ன்னு mark பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay? So now we have to prove PQ is parallel to RS. இதுதான். Because the tangent line should be parallel to the another tangent line. Okay, so in the PQ is parallel to RS அப்படி நம்ம prove பண்ணணும். So we'll see that. So here PQ is tangent at point A. அதனால we can say OA is perpendicular to PQ. So angle OAP is 90 degree. இது நம்ம equation 1 எடுத்துக்கலாம். அதே மாதிரி RS is tangent at point P. So we can also say OP is perpendicular to RS. Therefore, we can say angle OPS is equal to 90 degree. So, this is our equation 2 consider பண்ணிக்கலாம். So, now from equation 1 and equation 2, we can say angle OAP is equal to angle OPS. So, we can say angle PAP is equal to angle APS. So, now for lines PQ and RS, AB தான் transversal. So we can say angle BAP is equal to angle APS because அது ரெண்டுத்துக்குமே alternative angles will be equal. So we can say lines are parallel, therefore PQ is parallel to RS. So we'll move on to the next question. Prove that the perpendicular at the point of contact to a tangent to a circle passes through the center. So in the question first நம்ம எப்படி draw பண்ணலாம்னு பார்க்கலாம். So let's take a circle. So center of a circle நம்ம own mark பண்ணிக்கலாம். So now they have given a tangent which is passing through the circle. So எப்பயுமே tangentனாலே ஒரே ஒரு பாயிண்ட் மட்டும்தான் சர்க்கிளில் டச் ஆகிருக்கும். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு டேன்ஜென்ட் லைன் ட்ரா பண்ணிக்கலாம், அதை ஏபின்னு மார்க் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ அந்த சர்க்கிளில் டச் ஆகிற பாயிண்ட் தான் இஸ் நோன் அஸ் பாயிண்ட் ஆஃப் கான்டாக்ட். கரெக்டாக? ஸோ அதை நம்ம பின்னு மார்க் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ நவ் வி ஹாவ் டு ப்ரூவ் tangent of circle is perpendicular to radius of point of contact. So we know that tangent of circle is perpendicular to radius at point of contact. So we can write OP is perpendicular to AB. So we can write it as angle OPB is equal to 90 degree. இது equation 1 நம்ம கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ நம்ம எப்படி பாயிண்ட் ஓவர் சர்க்கிளில் வச்சு அது பர்பண்டிகுலர் தானா டேன்ஜென்ட் லைனுக்குன்னு செக் பண்ணோம். அதே மாதிரி இன்னொன்று ஒரு பாயிண்ட்டை வச்சு அதுவும் பர்பண்டிகுலராக தான் இருக்கா டேன்ஜென்ட் லைனுக்கு அப்படின்னு நம்ம செக் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ அந்த பாயிண்ட்டை நான் எக்ஸ்ன்னு மார்க் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் ஆல்சோ பாசிங் த்ரூ தி point of contact. So therefore we can write it as XP is perpendicular to AB. So that is XPP is equal to 90 degree. This is equation 2 consider பண்ணிக்கலாம். So now from equation 1 to equation 2 we can write angle OBP is equal to angle XPP is equal to 90 degree. இது ஏன் possible அப்படின்னா because line X is passing through O. So thus perpendicular to tangent passes through the center. So in this video we have learned the first part of exercise 10.2. If you have any doubt, comment me on comment section. Thank you.